It's James from Stay Nutrition. Is this not a fucking wake-up call? If this is not a wake-up call for some people to start getting their shit together, then I really don't know what it is. You literally have a better chance of surviving this coronavirus if you are fit and healthy and look after yourself. Before people start moaning, I know there's going to be exceptions, people on, immune suppressors, all that kind of stuff. I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about the people who live on fucking McDonald's and meal deals. These are active things. These are things that you control. You can go out and do some fucking exercise. You can make better choices with your food. You can improve your body composition. By simply doing these things, you have a better chance of surviving. If you knew there was a zombie apocalypse coming, you'd fucking get in shape for it. You'd want to be able to run away from them. You'd want to be strong enough to fight them off. You'd want to have enough energy to fucking live. This has to be a wake-up call. If you are abusing your body by giving it shit fuel, not enough rest, no exercise, wake the fuck up. This is your wake-up call. You can literally save your own life by doing some fucking exercise and eating some fucking vegetables. What are you going to do?